Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the PhD aspirants. Why? Because here the All India online written or the interview test is going to be conducted by one of the government college or else the Institute of National Importance College, guys. And here the eligibility is the only post graduation. So if you once selected for the full-time PhD or else a full-time research scholar in this government college, then you are going to get the stipend up to 35,000 rupees per month, guys. Fine. So really it will be the wonderful opportunity, and please utilize this one. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission notifications in one of the Institute of National Importance colleges. And please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing tap the bell icon and give me one like for this video, guys. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Indian Institute of Information Technology Vadodara, that is IIIT Vadodara. So from this college, here we got the PhD admission notification, guys. Okay, so you just scroll down, you will get down here the PhD admissions autumn 2021 to 22. Okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to here, guys. So here I will just tell you in brief. Okay, so first of all, if you belongs to these subjects, then proceed this video, guys, or else please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these subjects or the departments. So applications are invited for admission to PhD program in the following specialization areas, that is computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and physics. Okay, and the last date of receipt of application via online portal is 10th August 2021. Fine. And while coming to the remaining details, okay, so first one we will check down the eligibility criteria. So PhD program, a candidate should have consistently good academic records. While coming to the engineering, first class in MTech or ME in CS, IT, ECE or related areas, or first class in MSc applied mathematics or computer science and related areas, or exceptional candidates with more than 8.0 CPA on scale of 10 in BE or BTech in the relevant areas may be considered. Fine. And while coming to the physics, first class in MSc physics and related areas can be considered. That means it is the eligibility case. And the candidates who are in the final semester or the final year examinations of the qualifying degree in 2021 may also apply to the respective programs, and the admission is subject to condition that if admitted, they should submit a provisional degree certificate or any other proof of completion of requirement for the award of degree by September 30th, 2021. Okay, so these are the eligibility criteria, guys. That means if you are having only post graduation in the respective departments, then you may apply for this one. And while coming to the schedule for PhD admissions, so here the starting date of application is July 1st and the application closing date is August 10th. Announcement of screened candidates is 13th August and the date of online examination is August 17th. Date of result announcement of online examination August 18th, and the dates of online interview 20th to 21st August, and the result announcement is 27th August. And coming to the admission fee payment document verification September 1st week, and the commencement of session from September 13th, and the registration to the first semester first week of the session. Okay, so these are the very important dates, guys. And coming to the schedule is done, and coming to the application procedure. So how to apply for this one is that you can make an online payment of 590 rupees. It is application fee. Okay, and the bank number, bank name, account number, okay, as well as the IFSC code and the MICR code. All these things are given here. And if you are having the GATE or CSIR or UGC NET or the UGC JRF certificate, then you may upload that one also, and past academic records, past experience if any, and the statement of purpose. And the applicants must fill up the online application form. Okay, so it is online application form, guys. I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. Okay, and call for online written test or the interview. See, guys, it is the Google form that you have to fill up for this PhD admission. So based upon the academic record, candidates will be shortlisted for the written test or the interview. Everything is online only, guys. Fine. So fulfilling of the minimum qualifications by itself would not entail any applicant. Fine. And final merit list will be prepared based upon the candidate's performance in the written test followed by the interview, and offer letter will be issued to the selected candidates only. The candidates will be required to deposit the required or the prescribed fee within the time, guys. And the selected candidates who have completed all the examinations before the date of registration but are unable to produce the certificate as a proof of having the passed or secured minimum specified qualifying marks may be considered for provisional admission. Fine. And entrance exam for the PhD program. So here the syllabus is also provided, guys. So you may check down the syllabus for each and every department. What is the written test syllabus? Okay, that is also provided here. And while coming to the fees and assistance, okay, what are the fees and assistance? Okay, that we will check down here how much fee you have to pay. So here the table is given for caution deposit and institute development contribution. So just check down, guys. And apart from this one, here you may check down the financial assistance. Okay, if you once selected for the full-time PhD, then you are going to get 31,000 rupees per month as a financial assistance at the time of admission to the PhD program is given for the teaching assistantship. And the same will be increased 35,000 rupees per month after passing the comprehensive exams, but not earlier than 2 years. This amount is paid by the institute side only, guys, and not from the MHRD or the AICTE grant. Fine. So it is a fee and assistance, guys. And what is a fee refund policy? So that one also you may check down here. So before commencement classes, 90% refund policy. After commencement of classes, nil. Okay. So that means if you want to cancel the admission in the IIIT Vadodara, then how much amount of fee will be refunded to you? Okay, those details are given here. Okay, guys. So finally, these are all the details, guys. And if you are having any queries regarding this one, here the mail ID is provided, pgadmissions@iiitvadodara.ac.in. So you may mail to them, guys, if you are having any queries. Fine. So total it is in detail advertisement regarding the PhD notification in IIIT Vadodara. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.